Hey everyone! Today we're going to take a casual stroll through a fascinating world that often goes unnoticed: the production process at a factory. We'll look at everything from the raw materials that get the ball rolling to the final products you see on the shelves. So buckle up as we uncover the behind the scenes magic that keeps our favorite items flowing to us every day. Let's set the scene. We're diving into a typical factory that specializes in, let's say, electronics. This place is a buzzing hive of activity with hundreds, sometimes thousands, of employees working together. Imagine a building the size of a small football field. That's where the action happens. With a primary goal of producing high quality gadgets, this factory has some impressive stats under its belt. From the number of devices cranked out daily to the top notch technologies used, it's safe to say that factories like these play a crucial role in our modern lives. So, where does everything begin? It all starts with raw materials. In an electronics factory, this could be metals and even glass. The key here is sourcing quality materials, as they directly impact the final product. Factories typically have reliable suppliers to ensure they get the best resources, and they often maintain strong relationships with these suppliers to keep the production line smooth and efficient. Now, let's talk about production planning, which is like the secret sauce to running a successful factory. It involves forecasting demand and scheduling production runs to keep up with customer needs. Factories use various tools and software to make this process efficient. Think of it like planning a big party. You need to know how many guests you'll have to prepare enough food and drinks. By anticipating what's needed and when, factories can minimize waste and optimize their resources. All right, here's where the magic happens: the production line. Imagine a conveyor belt that starts with raw materials on one end and ends with a finished product on the other. This line is carefully designed for efficiency. First up, materials are assembled, where skilled workers or machines put everything together piece by piece. After assembly, products hit quality control checkpoints. Think of it as a reality TV audition where only the best make it to the next round. Each item is inspected to ensure it meets standards before moving on. Once cleared, it's time for packaging. Products are boxed up, labeled, and prepped for shipment to stores near you. Throughout this process, you'll find a balance between automation and the superb attention of manual labor, making the whole operation super seamless. Now, let's chat about quality control. You want your gadgets to work perfectly, right? That's why factories put a big emphasis on this step. Every product goes through rigorous testing to ensure it meets the quality standards. There are different methods involved, from manual checks to advanced technology that detects any flaws. Poor quality can lead to returns and unhappy customers, and nobody wants that. So, quality control is like the final defense barrier that helps maintain a factory's reputation and ultimately, customer satisfaction. Speaking of maintaining standards, let's not forget about safety. Working in a factory can be risky, so they implement strict safety protocols. Employees undergo training to handle machines carefully and understand what to do in an emergency. It's all about creating a safe work environment where everyone can focus on doing their best job without worry. These practices have evolved over the years, and factories continually adapt to keep their workers protected. Now let's sprinkle in some eco-consciousness. Factories often work to minimize their environmental impact. Sustainable practices like reducing waste, recycling materials, and cutting down on emissions are becoming standard. It's important for factories to be responsible and ensure that their methods don't harm the planet. After all, we all share this earth, and every little bit helps. Many factories are now embracing green technologies and practices to foster a better future for everyone. So, there you have it, a sneak peek into the production process at a factory. It's a blend of teamwork, planning, and technology that makes it all happen. If you have any thoughts or questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun insights. Curious about how your favorite products are made? Check out our other videos. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of manufacturing with us.